Hey, what's up, guys? It's Joseph Tech here. So, you know what we do here, right? We talk about Admob, teaching you programming work, how you can skyrocket, and also what you need to know about Admob. So, in this video, I'm gonna teach you. If you are new here, if you are not new, I'm gonna teach you or scale you through how Admob works and how you can earn more, or if you're a beginner, how you can begin with Admob. So if you have heard about Admob before, a lot of people are saying Admob is a scam, or because they are already seeing a lot of earnings. You see earnings on some group, you pay them to build an app for you, do everything for them, and last they will scam you and you can't even earn or cash out from it. So in this video, watch the video to the end so you can understand everything and how AdMob works. So Joseph, take care. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with your friends, because this will be a whole lot help for me, and also it will help everyone. Your friends will learn, you will learn, and any other person can learn. Like this video, share it. Thank you. So let's begin. The first thing we have to know is how AdMob works. What is AdMob? So Admob is an advertising company whereby they're paying you via ads displaying on your app. So Admob is just a company whereby Google serve ad in order for you to earn. So this is how it works. Like someone pay Admob for Admob to advertise for them, and Admob is looking for a place in order for them to advertise the stuff for the people. So the only way they can use is for them to use three base system, which is YouTube, website, and application. So on YouTube, if you are on YouTube, you notice that if you want to watch a video on YouTube, you notice that ad is popping out on it. As that ad is popping out on it, the owner of that YouTube is making his money. That's number one. Number two is website. If you enter some website and go through the website, let me say you are searching for a latest music or latest app, latest news on the website, you notice that a whole lot of ads is popping out on it, even some annoying ads that you mistakenly click on. As that ad is popping out, the owner of the website is making his money. Likewise, application. If you go to Play Store now to download an app on Play Store, before you even download the app, you notice something like contain ads at the top. So once you click on the app to install the app, immediately you install the app, you notice that the app is showing ad. That's how AdMob works on app development. So that's the three base way you can earn from Google: YouTube, application, and website. So in this video, I'm only talking about application, which is AdMob. So on application right now, the first thing you have to do is to create an AdMob account. Once you create your AdMob account, get it approved. The next thing for you to do once you get your AdMob account approved is to get an app. So this is where a lot of people are making mistake. AdMob, Google AdMob is just a company whereby anybody can earn. It's not meant for commoners. Let me explain this way. Like AdMob is meant for developers. So if you are not a developer, you have to get a good programmer or a good developer in order for you to make money from AdMob. So this is what a lot of people don't know. You will just meet somebody online and tell them that you need to get an app, and they will just do any app for you or give you self-clicking app, and from that you get scammed. So this is what is making some people to make mistake on this AdMob, and some people even still now, some people don't believe that AdMob works. So this is a Google platform, and you know one thing to be sure is that Google can never close. So have that in your mind, that Google can never close. Everything here is owned by Google. Like anything you want to do online now, you must go to Google in order to do anything. Everything is hosted by Google, so Google can never close, and Play Store can never close. So you should be rest assured that AdMob exists. So you have to know how it works and dance to the tune of AdMob. If you do not do that, you will just be wasting your money and will be wasting your time. So watch this video to the end so you can understand everything. So the first thing we are talking about here is how it works. So how it works is that you get if you're a programmer, it's very easier for you, because you can easily get an application. You can easily build an application for yourself. Once you build an application for yourself, you integrate ads into it. That's your some of ad units in your AdMob account. Once you integrate it into your app and you're good to go, you get an app. Upload it on Google Play Store or App Store or Amazon Store, and you're good to go to start making your money from AdMob. So that's it. But if you are not a programmer, I will advise you in two ways. Number one is that you learn how to program, like learn some codes like Flutter, Java, Kotlin, a lot. Learn it. Once you learn it, build your app by yourself, operate on Google Play Store, and you're good to go. But if you are not that, that means you have to do research in getting a developer, a person that can develop a good app for you. The person will develop an app for you, operate on Google Play Store. Before you pay anyone, you can as well ask for the person previous work. Do you get me? Ask for the person previous work. If you see it, if you find it interesting, pay the person and let the person develop an app for you, operate on Google Play Store, and you're good to go. So this is how it works. So once you get an app, operate on Google Play Store, you are good to go to start making your money from Admob. But these are some steps again, because number one thing is that getting your Admob account approved. Number two um is to get an application. Number three is to operate on Google Play Store. So operating your application on Google Play Store is in different ways. Although you can upload your app on Amazon Store, upload your app on an Apple Store, and upload your app on Google Play Store. I talk about Google Play Store because yes, majority of us are using Android phone, and that is where you can make your money very well, because a majority of people are using Android phone. So for you to make your money, you can operate on Google Play Store. You will get like much audience from that. So operating your app on Google Play Store now is in different ways. Number one is you getting your personal console account. They are calling Play Store account console account. That is the, I will call it admin of Play Store. Because before you upload your app on Google Play Store, if you have your console account, it's more easier for you, because you can easily control your app on Play Store. Once your app is live on Play Store, you can know how many people install your app, which location is using your app, like which country is using your app the most. Is it male or female? You can as well know all those stuff on your console account. That will give you more, like it will give you more insights to your app, so you can know how to control it. If you are promoting your app, you know how to run advert on your app, like how to promote your app the more, and know the target area, people that are using it the most, so you can target them using your app. So that is why you need console account. So if you want to buy console account, it will cost you $25. You can buy it on Google by yourself with your ATM card, and you verify it with your ID card, and you're good to go with that. So upload your app on Google Play Store. Once your app is live on Play Store, you get an app, and you promote your app using either Facebook ads or Google ads. If you need more explanation about this, you can go to the comment section. You will see my link there. You can message me on WhatsApp or Telegram to know more about this. So this is one thing that a lot of people, why this a reason why a lot of people are getting scammed every day, because they are self-clicking. So self-clicking is just an aspect whereby people will, you will mess a developer with, somebody will just tell you that he or she is a developer. You will pay them for application. They will tell you that you will be loading your ad unit into it, be clicking on it, you will on your VPN and be clicking on the ad by yourself in order for you to, you will be loading ad and be clicking on it in order for you to earn. And of course you'll be seeing the earnings on your dashboard, but you can't cash out anything because self-clicking doesn't work. That's just a scam way, and Google have their own way. There is no how you can self-click, because before you buy your phone, you will notice that when you buy your phone, you will notice that there is something like Google. You met Google on your phone. You did not download Google from Play Store. You don't download Chrome or Play Store. You don't download all those Google accounts. You don't download anyone from Play Store. You met it on your phone. So everything you are doing on your phone is known by Google. So if you want to do anything, you can't scam Google. Do you get me? And they do not beg you to come and meet them. Like Google doesn't have anything like referral system. So me explaining all these things to you now, why I'm explaining all these things to you now, why I'm giving you all this insight is that I'm an app developer. You can contact me. If you're not a developer, you can contact me for me to develop an application for you. That's why I'm messaging you, not for referring. Adon doesn't have anything like referring, so they do not send you. If you violate any of their rule, they will terminate your account. So that's why you need to stay with a right person, and also to understand how it works, not to just pay anyhow person and they will scam you and will later say Admob is not working. Admob is really working perfectly. Admob is working perfectly, because this is where a lot of celebrities are making their money. If you want to say a lot of celebrities, this is where they are making their money from. A lot of them are making their money from YouTube. A lot of them are making their money from websites. A lot of them are making their money from application that is operated on Apple Store or Play Store. So this is how Admob works, and don't get scammed in any way. So another thing is getting a good developer. A good developer is very rare, because there is a lot of scammers here and there. Like some of them even create ad by scamming people in one way or the other. So what you have to do here is that you have to, before you deal with anyone After doing some research by getting, let me say you get the application that the person have done before, the next thing you have to do is to get like you can do video call, one-on-one video call to with the person, confirm the person identity before you pay anybody, so that they will not scam you at the end. So please and please, Admob is really working. It's just how you do it. So if you want to know more about Admob, or you still need more insight about Admob, you can drop a comment on the comment section. I will attend to this. And if you need more knowledge again, you can also join my Telegram group on the description below. So have a nice day, guys, and stay blessed. Boom.